We're watching a tornado over here in Kennedale right now. Hey, turn on your blinkers or fucking
I did.
Nothing. There was one coming by the house, so I wanted you to get out. But you're alright.
It's coming right at us.
Yeah, stay here. Okay, I gotta go. Hit the power lines. Yeah, you might want to, when those trees start moving, we might want to start skiing down a little. Yeah, it's looking good.
That man
It
just
ain't
took
dying.
something out. He just took something out.
Yep.
You hear it?
Yeah. Look how big that shit is. Yeah, we might want to.
Zoom down a little bit. I can't see the bottom. Yeah.
Oh, you're alright. Stay here.
Yeah.
This shit hadn't started hitting the car yet. It keep acting like it's lifting up, and then it keeps staying. Yeah, it's getting to the trees now. Uh-oh. It's going in front of us. Yep. Did it just dissipate? Oh, it's getting back together right here. Stop right here. Yeah, it's getting bigger. Oh, look at that! Holy crap!
Hold it up now. Hold it up now.
Oh, look at these power lines. We're about to get electrocuted.
Everyone just hold tight.
Stay here, you're good.
No, those power lines, I want to get in the middle of the road. Look at that. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
look at that.
Fuck.
I told you, man, that Greenfield's on top of us.
Here.
No, man, that shit's gonna fall on me.
Fucking pussy now! We may get a fucking house on top of us. Oh, there's some more power lines snapping. Can you push it back? There you go.
Alright, now we can go.
Good, I need a burger. Look at that shit hanging in the power
I know. Holy, look at that.
I can't see no more. I'm getting outside the car.